Let's start. Feedback, testimonial, experience, takeaways. Start with your name and then whatever you want to share.
Can I go first?
Yes, Devaraksha, please. Yes, I understand the pain of that.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, since I'm already in level 3 now, so level whatever we did during the course of these last 4 days was actually in level 1, covered in level 1. But it was an amazing recap for me. Like how I've been telling the last 2 days also that एक और बार सीखने को जब मिलता है ना वापस से पूरा point to point, then खुद को there are so many things probably even we realize that अच्छा ये वाला सवाल शायद I should tweak and this is where I should do better and small things. We know the process in whole, but in these 4 days what has happened is in detail और ज़्यादा I've got an opportunity to learn like on those small small processes that we've been following, especially वो first day first session में जो होता है with the client, that's the most important. I feel that's where the impact actually happens both sides, especially for the client. So if we are to the point and are very clear and specific in our processes in the first session, then even the client becomes very comfortable and there is a chance of conversion. So that was there कि काफी चीजें था कि हाँ अब ये चीज शायद मैं गलत कर रही थी, हाँ इसको ठीक करना है तो
All right, thank you. हाँ लगा मुझे. Next.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Aarti and then Divyanshi.
Ma'am, the best part about you and Nitin sir, what I got to you for the first time, is that no matter whatever we keep on saying, whatever our doubts are, but जो crux होता है ना, you always bring us to there. I mean, कितना भी हम पूछ लें, कितना भी कुछ कर ले, we always come down to that format any which way, and that's the best part, and we have to learn, and that is going to take a lot of time. If we start doing that with the clients, so everything is like done. So the beauty of your all the techniques is like, this is amazing. You always कितना भी widespread हो, you narrow it down from 1,000 to 500 to 600, like 400, then to 0, you bring it down to 0. So that's something really to learn.
Yeah, that's something that makes our life easier. That's I've also understood. Okay, इतना दिमाग चलाने की जगह पे, make it simpler.
Exactly. So that is really something to learn and work upon.
Still in progress. All right.
तो कितना टाइम लगने वाला है?
नहीं हो जाएगा. All good. Thank you, Aarti. All right. Also, tell me what are the takeaways from the processes that stayed with you, or there's something, which you clearly resonated with. Also, that is also a good idea to share.
So the step-by-step procedure how you are going to take up your client, that is very important, ma'am. जब appointment आता है, सब होता है, that is all fine, getting excitement and everything. But then when the client comes, उसने अपना सब बोल दिया, कर दिया, ठीक है, half an hour तक वो बोलेगा. But then the brain starts like कि now what I do say, what do I say, what do I tell him, because he's looking for something, he really needs to take something back to home, right? So जो आपने वो बताया ना, that is like very amazing. वो सारे techniques if we use it, तो I don't think so. अभी तक तो मैम I have worked not more but 25-30 क्लाइंट के साथ काम करा होगा, बट ऑल ऑफ देम के साथ इफ आई गो ऑन दिस, तो आई डोंट थिंक सो दे आर कमिंग बैक टू मी आफ्टर व्हाट वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. So
good.
this
You
is
want them to come back, or you want new people to come back? New people to come.
I want new people to come. So yes, and मैम ये चीज बहुत important है कि in what session what you are doing and what you are completing. Then next session में what is your target and what you are accomplishing. So that thing, उससे ये techniques use करने से ये clarification काफी मिल जाता है. So that's the best part again.
All right. Yeah, absolutely. I completely agree to you with that part. Who goes next? Thank you, Aarti.
Should I? So I think the best part of the session was to exactly. I totally agree with Aarti Di. It was to know, ki how to like what is the next step to do. Like client आया उसने बोल दिया अब क्या करे वाली situation, and of course कि how to get into the crust. Like हजार चीज है, हजार तरीके हैं, so how to narrow it down to just one is the best thing. And I think the when then statement is one of the best thing to learn. Like one of the best thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next.
Okay. For me, the garden metaphor. So that is something which I learned new, and I think I could relate to it quite a bit. And of course, having done the level one, I've gone through the whole thing, and that has actually given me a tool in my hand to work with clients. You know, like how Aarti said, कि went out to कर दिया, फिर क्या करना है? So exactly the process what we need to follow, and I'm using it for my clients also. So any workshops or anything that we do with iChas is always, add on hota hai, and a lot to learn from Nitin sir and you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vishu. Next.
Me?
Yep.
So I did level 1 with Mamta ma'am and level 2 with Nitin sir. You were the only one who was left. And this experience was amazing. Again, like Vishu, garden metaphor is one, but I feel for me the situation, the two statements of the situation and the outcome, which are very important and which actually मतलब client आता है तो बिखरा हुआ होता है, तो just to get them to one sentence. In fact, I had a very amazing experience with one of the client, although I have been cribbing, मेरा 2-2.5 घंटा लगा दिया उसने मतलब वो statement निकालने के लिए, but after all that venting out and everything, it was an eye opener for him also when the statement actually came out and he could totally relate to it. So for me, I think that is a best takeaway, that सोचना नहीं पड़ता कि client आया तो अब इसके साथ क्या करना है, you know कि थोड़ी देर went out करने दो और फिर उसकी जो situation है अभी की उसकी statement आनी है, and that also in a format. So to a certain extent मैं लकीर की फकीर हूँ, मतलब कि जो लिखा है वो ही करना है kinds, I can't go here and there. वो सोचने की जरूरत मुझे नहीं पड़नी चाहिए. तो for me that is very good. And then once they tell that and the outcome that they are looking for, they are able to actually come to that. That is amazing. Garden metaphor, this time I had a different experience altogether, because मुझे पक्का ध्यान नहीं, काफी टाइम हो गया वो level 1 किए हुए, but I have a memory problem also. But the thing that you tell them in the end that you be there and look at all the steps that you have taken and relate it to what you will be doing in your life. So that was a little different and amazing for me. So yes, very good. Thank you.
Nice.
I'll go next.
Thank you. Okay, Nidhi.
Yeah. So I've already, as you know, I've already done level 1 and level 2. But very frankly speaking, this time when I've done an anxiety this thing, then I got a really fresh experience of going through all the things, and I'm now really very confident. As Aarti and Kiranji has said, everything boils down to one thing, that is problem statement. I feel, and I know whatever whoever comes to me, client ka kaisa bhi state of mind ho, we have a format, so it's like very clear now. And the training was really very helpful, very structured. So I like about this doing this course is that it has given immensely helped me grow personally also. So since very beginning I was really disturbed when I joined this course. So apart from whatever I've learned as a coach, but it has given me, it has developed me personally also. I have worked on myself also a lot. So that gives me really a good confidence, and working with client will be a good experience. I'm looking forward for working on my brand building and advertising. But I'm now confident that I can work with any client, and very happy to join the course. I'm trained by Nitin sir also, by Mamta ma'am also, by you also. I'm really very happy and very grateful, extremely grateful to iCharles for giving me this opportunity to learn from you. Thank you so much.
Superb. All the best, Niti.
Thank you,
Who goes
Nidhi.
next? Yes, Sanchal.
So,
Can
ma'am,
you guys
I've
come on the
said this.
screen, please?
Actually, my internet bandwidth is quite low, so if I put on my screen, the voice will start.
Go
Yeah.
ahead.
So, like I think I mentioned yesterday, also the entire course was a recapitulation for me. But uh, I've always said this, like if I had to reiterate, everything, every process that I learn, like one more time, there are minimum of 2 learnings that I take all the time. Like I think if I do it one more time, there'll be something new to learn. So I think, and through the entire process, although I knew all the formats and everything, there was not 1 hour, or even for the matter of fact, like 10-15 minutes where I got bored through the process, because every time I heard you or sir say anything, there is something new while we practice. So I'm so glad that I got to attend this, and the takeaway was, so I have learned a range of modalities and processes. But for anxiety specifically, I know I have to stick to these 5-6 processes and get done with it. So now, like, kind of, I have separated a bucket in itself that these are the processes for anxiety, and which will be quite handy and helpful to use. So by doing this course, I have for myself internalized the processes, because initially I would get confused that maybe I should use this, because we've been exposed to so many techniques that at times it gets quite tricky as to which one to incorporate where. But now I'm very clear for anxiety per se that I will be able to sail through all the sessions perfectly. So that
Very
is
well.
amazing for me. Thank you.
Thank you. Who goes next? Mukti.
Yeah, I'll go.
Then I.
It was an amazing experience. So I got to know this ICHAS, this institute from my friend, and I'm very grateful for that. The eclectic approach was even that was amazing. But this anxiety counseling, it just it is just so good, because this ICHAS institute, you provide practice, and we just do things practically and theoretically, and others just provide theoretically. So you don't get much idea like how to process it, how to narrow it down, the problem statement, the outcome statement, and everything. So this is the best part. Even I like to recommend my friends can do internships and courses from ICHAS. And the takeaway would be, one would be the that abstract metaphor, surely, because I think people get confused like what is in their mind, but when they see that image, they just start talking. I haven't even tried with my family members, so I know they just start talking and talking and talking. So you just get, okay, what's there in their mind, like what are they thinking, in which direction, negative, positive. So yeah, this is one of the best technique. And second would be the garden metaphor, surely. Because the garden metaphor itself helped me a lot in improving myself. So these are the two takeaway which I would like to take. Thank you, Vizwa.
Thank you. Ayman.
Yeah. So unlike everybody here with so many clients, I am just a student and I'm here to learn as much as I can. And being a part of the eclectic approach, the internship, I think we've gone through all of those capabilities and we have tried to get as much as we can. But being here in this workshop, applying it, and then also being a part. I think I've said this before also. So being on both sides of the table really helped. One, to conduct it on somebody, and then to understand how it works when somebody else is doing it on you. It actually gives you a different perspective. When you're doing it, sometimes you also have this doubt, okay, if it's working or not. But when it actually is being done on you, you do realize that how it works and how it actually helps. A few things that I really, really will take away from this internship is how you combined one or two methods together. So release metaphor then combined with, Betty Erickson, just how you said in the model also. So that is one thing I did not think of before, of combining two different techniques together and then doing it. So that is one thing that I would really take away. And also the garden metaphor, I mean, for everybody, it is great. And it was for me too. When I did it, I really got a new perspective as to what I need to do, the steps I need to take, and it really gave me insight. So yeah, thank you so much for this workshop.
Very well, all the best. Who's remaining? Anushka?
So for me, the whole course of the anxiety counseling was a takeaway. But if I have to name two takeaways, then it would be abstract metaphor and the garden metaphor. Abstract metaphor because it was something that I was doing with Divya Raksha ma'am, and at the end I realized that eventually I do feel that. Obviously, we were trying to come up with a situation, but the end, I realized that yes, somewhere I do feel that. So that was a really good experience, and also garden metaphor was amazing. So yeah, these were my major takeaways. Thank you.
Thank you. Nidhi?
Hanji, so I'm sorry I cannot be visible on the screen. I was trying to log in through something else also, but no. Okay, so for me, abstract metaphor was actually really good after, especially that I've completed level 1 and now I'm doing this. So I am actually feeling very confident about myself. Bas client ka intezar hai. So, so that is there. But because anxiety, traditionally, like how we have studied, the only way that I knew was systematic desensitization. I did apply it on somebody also, and the results were actually wonderful. But from this lady, from not being able to sleep alone in a room, today she's traveling from one city to another city by air on her own alone. So that was a sense of accomplishment. But having said that, मुझे लगता है इसमें मेरी मेहनत कम, उस lady की मेहनत ज़्यादा है, because she worked on whatever was told to her. But not all people are like that. So not all people would like to sit and track their whatever thoughts and जो भी कहानी है, बुद्धि है जो systematic desensitization. So now with this course, it is easier to work on a person. If a person doesn't want to sit down with a paper and pencil and track everything, it becomes easier. It is more structured, and I think it is a shortcut also. उतना लंबा procedure के बजाय, this is something which is, I think, more acceptable. And it gives me the confidence also. Okay, now I have a structure, people have applied this and it is working. So yes, definitely that is there. And besides that, there was something else I wanted to say. For me, I mentioned abstract metaphor. That was great. Even the release metaphor was great, but abstract was better because itna chaos charo taraf hai na, especially with after the internship, you have to manage the house, you have to manage everything. So I was ideally thinking कि बहुत ज़्यादा chaos है, but after that abstract metaphor, I realized nahi, things are in place. It's only that my mind that I need to work on, थोड़ा सा relax करने के लिए. The rest, everything is good. So that's it. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you, guys. Anybody that I'm missing out on? Everybody done? All right.